Hi friends, you're watching the channel Know It, and today we will be discussing about the causes, symptoms and treatment of high level of uric acid in the body. Uric acid is produced by the natural breakdown of body cells and also from the foods that we eat. The uric acid in the body is filtered by the kidneys via stool or urine. Sometimes the uric acid produced in the body reaches a certain level where the kidneys are unable to filter the same. In this case, the uric acid level rises in the blood. High levels of uric acid in the body can form solid crystals within the joints. This painful condition is called gouts. Now, let's discuss the symptoms of high levels of uric acid in the blood. Joint symptoms. When uric acid crystals settle into joints, gouty symptoms may occur. Common joint symptoms of gout include pain, inflammation, swelling, redness and tenderness. These symptoms usually begin suddenly at night. Skin symptoms. After years of repeated gout attacks, uric acid crystals may begin to form lumps beneath the skin. These non-painful lumps, called tophi, commonly occur on the fingers, toes, hands and elbows. During an attack, the tophi may become swollen and tender. Kidney symptoms. If the uric acid crystals settle in the urinary tract, they cause kidney stones. Uric acid kidney stones are more common in men than women. Kidney stones may cause symptoms such as pain in the back, abdomen or groin, fever, chills, nausea, vomiting and bloody urine. So friends, these were the few major symptoms of high level of uric acid in the body. Now let's discuss the factors that cause the same. Number 1. Diuretic medications, that is, water pills. Number 2. Drinking too much alcohol. Number 3. Genetics, that is, inherited tendencies. Number 4. Hypothyroidism. Number 5. Immune suppressing drugs. Number 6. Obesity. Number 7. Psoriasis. Number 8. Purine-rich diet. So friends, there are many natural ways to reduce uric acid levels in the body. Let's discuss few of them. Number 1. Reduce the intake of purine-rich foods. Uric acid is formed in the body by breakdown of chemicals called purines. In case you want to regulate the level of uric acid in your body, you need to limit the consumption of protein-rich foods. The protein-rich foods can be like chicken, fish and mushrooms. Number 2. Drink plenty of water. In case you want to regulate the uric acid in your body in the most natural way, you need to drink a lot of water. Now what does lot of water mean? That means it has to be 8 to 16 glasses per day. Well yes, when your body stays well hydrated, the formation of gouts is prevented. Number 3. Eat fiber-rich foods. Now in case you want to regulate the uric acid in your body, you need to eat fiber-rich foods. Fibrous foods include cabbage, broccoli, green leafy vegetables and whole grains. They have the property to absorb a lot of uric acid in the body. Number 4. Limit alcohol intake. In case you want to regulate the uric acid level in your body, please avoid alcohol. Alcohol should be reduced to once in 3 weeks if you are a person suffering from gouts. Well, if you can avoid it completely, it's the best thing that you can do. Number 5. Eat fruits. In case you want to regulate the uric acid levels in your body, you need to eat fruits that are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C products can be blueberries, cherries, blackberries, grapes and pineapples. You need to include them in your daily diet. Number 6. Avoid sugary drinks. Now the main culprit of increased level of uric acid in the body is sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can also interfere in the excretion of uric acid from the body. So you need to avoid such drinks. I hope this video was useful to you and also it will help you regulate the uric acid levels in your body. For more such health related videos, subscribe to Know It. Thank you.